hello. Today I'm happy. You know what? I'm going to use English. Praise God. Praise God. Wow. But don't laugh for my English. Yeah, don't laugh. The way I'm speaking, I don't know very well, but I can try what I have. I have to use it to thank you all. But I first thank God for our life, you and me, our families, our children. So glory be to the Lord, because we are still breathing. Even if you're passing through something, don't mind it, because you are still breathing. You have to thank God for that. You see? So no matter what you're passing through, or what problem, or what is going on, no matter what, yes, we have to thank God, because we are still live. How can I say live? My English. But I'm really happy. I just wanted to say thank you for loving Chosen Tender. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for loving me, sharing. Thank you for watching my videos. So I'm here because of you. I'm here because of God. Maybe you can understand what I'm saying, what I'm meaning. Yes? And you know yourself why you are still there. So no matter what you're passing through, no matter what is going through in your life, just thank God because you're still breathing. Just thank God because you can do everything for yourself. But there's people who can't do themselves what they want. They just can't them. I said no laughing for my English, no commenting for my English. I said because I really love you. I just wanted to say in English this word, this thanks. Thanks in words. You know, but I'm happy. Mama, thank you for loving Tender. Just wanted to say thank you, all of you, and I wish you what? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. You know? Why not? It is a good English. You have to clap. But I really share, comment, subscribe. By the way, yes, I have my YouTube channel. You know, all of you. So if you don't know, just subscribe my YouTube channel, Chosen Tender Yogi. I'm the one. You see that. That is it. I will not add on more, because you love me. I'll make a mistake, even if it's already make. Yeah. Mukama, let me sing for you. Yes, I'm going to sing for you. Oh, happy Christmas, happy Christmas, and a happy New Year. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But I don't laugh because of the way I have sing. Don't mind that, but just know that I love you. That's why I'm doing this video to thank you all. Thank you for loving me. Thank you. You said that to flower heart. We in the mood of Christmas. Good night. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.